Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today I am back with another colorful Halloween look. When I was younger, I totally loved Lisa Frank, like obsessed. So when I saw this picture on Instagram from Bizoko Artistry, I knew I absolutely had to recreate it. So please stick around to see how I got it. To start out, I'm placing this NYX white eyeshadow base on my upper lip and chin. As I was doing this, I realized it looked like I had a white mustache and goatee. So before all this, of course, I knew I was going to be using a lot of color on my face, especially pink, and pink shadow tends to stain. So I made sure to prep my face really well with moisturizer and primer. I also evened out the face with my foundation, concealer, and powder. Next, I set the white with my Revlon Colorstay powder in translucent with my fingers. Then taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking the bright pink color and placing it along the hairline. You can see here I was using a face brush at first, but that wasn't working out so well. So I switched to an eye blending brush and that was a lot better. I tap to get the most product payoff, and later on I go back to really blend it to make it look nice and smooth. Then I took that pink down the center of my forehead in like a V shape. Then also towards the temples, and then focusing really to blend that color to make it look nice and smooth. Next, I took that pink to contour the cheeks, focusing on placing the color first, then blending it up. Wiping that brush clean, I then went in with the orange in the second row and putting that beneath the pink on the forehead and blending it into that pink. I then put that orange down the sides of my nose and slightly onto the eye. Next, taking the bright yellow with a clean blending brush and placing it above the pink contour line on the cheeks. Take that yellow down the bridge of the nose as well and onto above the eyebrows. I took some more yellow onto the nose to blend it into the orange so that it doesn't look so harsh. I decided to put some of the white base onto the center of my forehead because I didn't like how I brought the pink so much down. So I did that to lighten up the area, and then I placed yellow on top of it. Next, I took that same bright yellow for all over the eye. I brought it from all the way from the eyebrow all the way down to the eyelid, and there I was, poking my eye out. Next, taking the bright orange onto the crease, blending it really well into the yellow. Then lastly, the bright pink onto the lid. Then I brushed my eyebrows to give them their shape, and with an angled brush, picking up the purpley violet shade to fill in my eyebrows. After that, I did my wing with my e.l.f. felt tip liner. Next, with a white eye pencil, I lined my lower lash line, and towards the inner corner, I brought it towards the nose. And I set that white with the NYX Singles shadow in whipped cream. Next, I just curled my eyelashes and placed a thin layer of mascara to both my upper and lower lashes. When putting mascara onto your lower lashes, be extra careful to not get it on the white. I took the same NYX whipped cream again to brighten up and blend that white that I have on my upper lip and chin. I also went ahead and took a little bit more of my Revlon translucent powder for beneath the pink to really brighten up that lower part of the face area. Next, I took a purple colored liner to draw on the nose and also to draw on my top lip. This one I'm using right here is from the Ulta Beauty collection and it's in Plum. I gave the lips an exaggerated flick at the ends, but that's just how it makes the look better, more leopardy, if you can say that. And here I'm just drawing on dots for where the whiskers would be. I then took that same purple violet shade I used on my eyebrows to set my nose and top lip. Then I just put on some Falsies after the mascara has dried. And then finally, it's time to finish off the look by drawing on your leopard spots to your liking. Just do random squiggly curved lines where you feel they're needed. I focused mine on the V shape on the forehead and on the sides, a little bit like the sides of the temples, and also on my cheekbones. That was all, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I truly love and appreciate you guys so much. I really do. And yeah, talk to you guys soon.